Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by enabling iMessage so your texts use Apple's system. Open Settings and toggle iMessage on. Next, sign in with your Apple ID under Messages because that links devices and lets you use email addresses as senders. Once done, check Send and Receive to confirm your phone number and Apple ID email are checked. This ensures contacts see the right sender. Make sure cellular or Wi-Fi is active. Without connectivity, iMessage shows as not delivered and reverts to SMS. You now compose a message. Open Messages and tap the new message icon or an existing thread. Type the recipient's name, number, or Apple ID. iMessage shows blue bubbles for delivery over Apple's network. Once you type, use the App Store icon to add photos, tap effects for bubble or screen animations, or attach files. This enriches the conversation. Tap the blue Send button to transmit via iMessage. If the bubble is green, it uses SMS. So double-check connectivity or recipient capability before sending large media. To finish, manage threads and settings so iMessage works reliably. Long press a bubble to react, copy, or use tapback and swipe left on a thread to delete. In Settings, Messages enable read receipts or send as SMS for fallback. Turn on MMS if sending group media. If messages fail, try toggling iMessage, restarting the iPhone, and signing out then back into your Apple ID because this refreshes certificates and connections. If problems persist, check Apple's system status or contact support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.